Yo, what's up guys, welcome back! Today we're gonna take a look at the 52 proof bicycle deck. A very famous and popular YouTuber, Ramsay, motivated me to learn some cool card tricks. I'll put a link for his channel down below. And I ended up with this deck, and today I'm gonna show you how this one looks like. Alright, I used this deck in the last 2 months. I had a lot of fun with this and I learned something what I thought I'm never gonna be able to. It's how to riffle shuffle in my hand. It needs loads of practice and patience. Let me just show you quickly. That's what I learned. And I'm just gonna show you quickly how to do this if you wanna learn it just in case. Grab the deck like that and try to release the cards one by one. Like this. And now just try to release the half of the deck. Like that. Grab this half of it. Okay. Now you have to learn to release one by one with both hands. Needs loads of practice, patience, muscle memory, stuff like that. Okay, if you think you're happy with that, you can try to make it together. Like this, okay? And then just bend the deck like this and release the bottom cards. Sometimes it's better, sometimes it's like this. I'm still learning, don't worry. But it's a lot of fun, it's so satisfying. Sometimes it's still choppy. This is how you learn things, it's kind of good. One more time. That's it, baby. So satisfying. So this deck of cards feels very good in my hands, even if I'm just a beginner. I'm probably not able to do the fan properly. Okay, this is how a beginner's fan looks like. So let's just talk about the design quickly. On the top case you can see a big oak tree, which symbolizes the barrels, what they're using for making whiskeys, the smoky flavor, stuff like that. And even on the ceiling it's an oak tree over here. And it goes all around the deck, so it's even on the back design, which is kind of cool. It looks like a vintagey style. I really like it. And all the figures seems like an old-fashioned style. It's very cool. The only thing I miss is the double backer, because you won't get a double backer in this deck of cards. But you're gonna get a vintagey card, and it's like a 52 proof prohibition card. And you're gonna get a recipe for a cocktail. It's like a 52 proof coal mine. Ingredients: 2 ounces whiskey, half lemon juice, 1 sugar cube. I'm gonna try it. And as you can see, this deck isn't white anymore on the sides because I used it a lot in the last 2 months. I only got one issue with this deck, that I got 4 ace of spades, which is kinda ridiculous. I don't really know why, but I'll show you the way how you can fix it if you have the same issue. All you have to do is just stack your ace of spades on your knees, just what I'm doing, because you can't use 4 ace of spades if you're playing with your friends, right? And just stack the last ace of spades on your knees, stack them together, right? Snap your finger, and now you have 4 different colors of ace of spades. It's that easy. And finally I learned my first trick how I can levitate the card with my palms, okay? Let me just show you. All you have to do is just put a card on your knees, shake it, lift it up. Oh, just one more time. So, just put a card on your knees, squeeze it strongly, and then, last time, okay? I promise. So just put a card on your knees, squeeze it strongly, squeeze it, lift it up, lift it up. Oh yes, that's it, baby. Oh, hang on, where's the card? I know these tricks are not the best ever, but this is what I learned so far, and I'm happy with this. And I'm very happy that I found this type of art, because it's not just about the cards, it's about the design, it's about the style, it's about the smell of a card. It smells very good actually. And because of that I supported a couple projects on Kickstarter. And the last project who I just recently supported offered a high resolution image of the back design, which is kind of cool, specifically for backers, because I'm gonna print it, frame it, and put on a wall somewhere. And that's what I mean, it's kind of an art, it's not just about the cards. So that was it guys, thanks for watching, thumbs up if you like this video and subscribe. And stay tuned for more upcoming Optimal review. Goodbye. Well, that was a pretty bad idea.